Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to put your logo on your pictures with mobile phone. First you will have to download an app called Photo Layers. I have already downloaded it. Now open the app. Tap to load a photo. Go to gallery. Choose your picture. Tap the mark button. Tap done. Then tap the add photo. Go to gallery. Choose your logo. Tap the mark button. Tap done. Now you can adjust your logo as you want it. Tap the color button. You can adjust the opacity as you want. Tap close. Now finally save your picture with your logo. So if you think my video is helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.